I'm doing Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup blog. And today I'm so excited to be showing the latest from Ipsy. Let's check it out. Just so you know, this is the Ipsy Ultimate. Really excited about that. Spring starts with skin, absolutely. Just looking here, I see some name brands like Charlotte Tilbury, Kevin Kwan, Bisha, Living Proof, Rodeo. There we go. Can't wait to see what's inside. I don't think I picked anything in this box. I'm not really sure. I think I missed getting an email about the selections. So we're just going to go in and see what's in there. The first thing right off the bat, I'm in love. And this is from Living Proof, one of my favorite brands. And this is their heat styling spray for the perfect hair day. The HD. What do you think? Is this it? Yes, it is. And I love the scent for Living Proof. Not everybody likes fragrances or scents in their products, but I don't mind the scent. To me, it's very clean. It's not too heavy, but it's their signature sentence and everything. So I will definitely be using that. The next thing I have in here is from an old friend, Makeup Forever. Remember them? And this is their HD Skin Hydro Glow. Ooh. Love, love, love. Let's see what's happening. This is a foundation. Is it? And that looks like my shade, kind of. We're on the yellow side, but we'll make it work. Okay. Woo, so excited. HD Skin Hydro Glow. Guess I'll save that for an upcoming. I don't know if I'm going to test it now. We'll see. We'll see what the rest of the stuff in here is. Oh, this is two products within a bag. I'm sort of curious to see what this is. Let me see if I can. Okay, I have a blade nearby. The first thing in here, this is from Charlotte Tilbury. What? Yes, this is her logo. What's this? Yes, this is Pillow Talk Matte Beauty Blush Wand. And the next I see here is the Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand. Oh my goodness. It's not often when I get something with Charlotte Tilbury in there. But those are the shades, I guess, really quick. I may feature this in an upcoming video. Just this Pillow Talk. I mean, that's the one she's known for. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Okay, this is I will feature this in an upcoming video for sure, just to see what it does. And I'm trying not to break up the boxes, but it's useless. I'm just clumsy. So I'm just really excited. And this one has the Pillow Talk. Exciting. Next thing in here is from, oh my goodness, what is this one from? Kevin Kwan. Okay, nice. And this is the Indecent Mascara. Okay. Shall I show you what it looks like? Absolutely, why not? The packaging is sexy, you know, can't go wrong. It sort of gives a blue tint here on camera, but maybe it isn't blue. Is it blue? I have no idea. But I'll put the information somewhere here on the screen, and has some heft. The next thing I have here is from St. Jane. And this is the Rich Rescue Phytomucin Cream. I guess it's skincare, which I love. Can't go wrong with skincare. Packaging kind of reminds me a little of L'Occitane's, the lavender cream. Rich Rescue. I'm assuming it's for dry skin. I will put the information somewhere on the screen here. Lovely, smooth and to clean dry skin. Yeah, I'm assuming it's to moisturize. Perfect for this winter weather we've been having here on the northeast coast. Next product is from Bisha, and Bisha I've had before recently, like their pencils. So this is a little different. This is sealed, with has a plastic seal on it, which is interesting. And I'm trying to see what it is. Essential Rice Water Makeup Primer. Good to know. A primer. My goodness, with rice water? Like, are you kidding me? Okay. We're opening this up. Oh, it's a very sexy looking bottle. See if it has a scent. Oh, it's a pump. I don't smell anything yet, but rice water shouldn't have too strong a scent, if at all, unless they add fragrance. That's a pea-size amount. It does have a fragrance, which is interesting. I wasn't expecting it to have one. And it's on the sweet side. Almost like, I want to say, it smells slightly sugary, that for lack of a better term. It's like it's trying to smell like, I'm not sure how I feel about that. Interesting. And the next thing we have here is from Rodial, and this is the collagen drops. Another skin product. Yay! I love it. Skincare, makeup, hair care, that's what I'm about. This is the bottle. It looks rather serious. Does it have a fragrance? It has a drop. Let's see. Collagen. I wonder where. I'll put the instructions on. Just putting a little bit on. I want to say I smell a little citrus in here, but not. Maybe it smells like botanical. I can't place it. It comes off initially, I smell a citrus, and it disappears and it becomes more botanical, like medicine-y. Okay. Collagen drops. Okay, I wonder if it's to, take care of fine lines and such. But I will put it somewhere there on the screen. And the last thing I have here looks like, is it from one of my favorite brands? I think it might be. I don't know, but we'll see. Oh gosh. Yes, it's from NARS. Oldie but goodie and so good. I love NARS. And this, I'm not sure. I'm wondering if it's a lip. Darn it, no. Packaging feels really smooth. The color is right there. I'm not sure if it's a blush or a lipstick. We'll see. The iconic packaging, all in black. This is new. Look, it's raised. It says NARS. This must have raised the cost on packaging a great deal. But oh, this is a lipstick. Look at this. Wow, this is. Wait a minute, that's not a lot of products. Wow, that's like really not a lot of products. I mean, was there more product before? Like, I'm not sure what's happening. Okay, that really doesn't look like a lot of product. But the packaging is definitely sexy. I'm just confused because I don't know. It's like it barely comes out and that's it. It does maybe one full twist and that's it. Wow. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it like this and apply. Mm-hmm. Mm. I'm hoping this is a lipstick. It's an unusual color. I just had a passing thought. What if it's a color corrector? What if, oh, and it has the magnetized thing, but it has halved. And this is new, that this is raised. But I am not sure if I'm feeling the fact that it seems there's less product now in these packages. Is it just me? Yeah, it's a lipstick. Hmm. It's interesting because it's not a color that I normally would wear. I usually wear pinks and reds. So this is a, welcome addition, something different, new. And that's essentially it, I think, for my Ipsy Ultimate box. So what do you think? It says in here, serious about beauty, not about rules. That's interesting. Okay, so what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Are you still an Ipster? Do you have a subscription to Ipsy, or did you stop? What I thought was interesting was the box sort of reminds me as a wink towards good old gone but not forgotten BoxyCharm. So I find it very interesting that they went black, because that was BoxyCharm's look with the white lettering on the black box. So I find it a nice wink to let people know, hey, we're still here. We're just part of Ipsy now, even more so. I'm rambling. I'm sorry. That's basically what I have to say about the box. Am I impressed with it? I love the fact that there is a nice mix of skincare, a little bit of color for the lips, a primer, like a rice, and this Hydro Glow, not bad. And I could always use the lipstick for, a blush a little bit. Mascara, okay, definitely will try it. I'm not big on mascara, but I will use it. So yeah, I would say it has pretty much a complete look. The only thing that's really missing, I think, is a perfume. I don't know, for some reason I'm getting in the kick lately with perfume. I don't know why, but I am. I'm exploring new scents, trying to change up for the upcoming spring. I feel it in the air. They say it's like 20 days away. I can't wait. But I know we have a good snowstorm or two before we hit April. So I hope you are all, wherever you're at, you're all safe and warm, and that you're staying hydrated. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know when my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup unboxing with Ipsy. And as you know, this is not an ad. I'm not sponsored. Just to put that out there. And I will see you on my next video. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.